Hey guys, Sybil here from the AVANT Gaming League of Legends team. Thanks to Nighthawk Pro Gaming, we have the chance to look at the new high-end Netgear XR700 Nighthawk Pro Gaming router. It packs a lot of hardware and software features to create the ultimate gaming experience and give you control over your internet. The router is packed with state-of-the-art software to create the most optimal gaming experience possible by keeping your ping stable, reducing lag spikes, and providing reliable wired and wireless connections. The XR700 comes with a user-friendly gaming dashboard that allows you to take full advantage of the hardware provided in the router, allowing you to control every aspect of your traffic, including prioritizing and limiting bandwidth to certain devices on your network. It's really important for us to have the features of the gaming dashboard whilst we practice and stream at the AVANT Gaming office. The XR700 provides a feature known as Geo Filter, which gives you a guaranteed local connection, limits distance to servers or other players, and allows you to create a blacklist or whitelist of your preferred servers. Netgear packs the Nighthawk XR700 with top-of-the-line hardware such as 60 GHz 802.11 AD Wi-Fi technology, 1.7 GHz quad-core processor, 10 gigabit port, 7 1 gigabit ports. It is essential that we have the stability of the XR700 hardware to ensure that we have the most optimal practice for our competitive matches. With the 4 enhanced antennas, you'll never experience dropouts or slow connection speeds around your house again. The XR700 has improved range for mobile devices and is set up ready to stream 4K video and VR gaming. The router has a Plex media server inbuilt so that you can have all the movies, TV shows, music and photos on the device you love. For more information on the XR700, make sure to check out the Nighthawk Pro Gaming website.